Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Hello, my name is Mel Bird and I am the owner of Visual Hug. I know that only in fairy tales do mirrors talk. In real life, mirrors do not talk. However, if you had a mirror from Visual Hug, it would speak to you. It would speak to your essence and to your soul. Growing up, I watched my single Jamaican mother working 2 jobs while raising 2 kids. Sometimes she was just plain old tired and she couldn't see her greatness. However, if she would have had a mirror from Visual Hug, she could have looked at it at any time and read something like, I am beautiful, I am courageous, I am amazing. And I know that would have brought a smile to her face, and nothing beats seeing my mother smile. When I win this contest, I will have the opportunity to cause a buzz around these custom mirrors with positive messages. Positivity in thought and action is the way to go nowadays, as evidenced by Iyanla Vanzant and the success of Tony Robbins and Les Brown. I want Black Enterprise to partner with me and show women that this small mirror can make a big difference in living a positive life. Vote for me and become a part of something great that will last a lifetime. Thank you from Mel Bird at Visual Hug. You can reach us at www.visualhug.com. Your support and contribution is appreciated and very, very necessary.